Good morning.
Mama, I need to go pee-pee.
Oh, okay. Please go and come back. Go and come back. Good morning. It's Melissa from Little Kosher Lunch. We just got up and I'm starting to pack lunch for today. And I had a really easy plan for the morning since we had a convenient fish stick for dinner last night. So I just wanted to show you that I have saved last night's leftovers in all my little salvage jars here. And I'm gonna load up a fish stick lunch for my preschool age daughter today. And I wanted to show you how that goes. So every time I serve fish for the girls, I usually make my own tartar sauce. And every time I chop up those pickles and mix it with mayo, I feel like I'm saving a ton of money. I'm probably saving myself $2.50 or $3 on a jar of tartar sauce. So I made up a big batch last night and I'll have this for the upcoming week for any other fish, probably for a couple weeks because it's just two condiments mixed together that I keep in the fridge. So I have fish sticks. I loaded up my dip container with tartar sauce. I'm gonna grab the last of my refrigerator pickles that the girls love and load up some pickles on the side. And then this weekend I cut up a whole watermelon. So I am going to really load up the lunchbox today with a ton of melon because it's been hot here in LA, almost like summer. And having these things cut up in the fridge from either last night or from the weekend doing the watermelon has been a real time saver. Okay, and then over here I got out my little Baran. You could use just a lettuce leaf to separate things in a compartment, but this is sometimes fun. We had a cookie come home from a celebration yesterday, so I'm going to put the cookie back in for a treat in the lunch. And I have a little leaf that I'm going to use to separate it and put in a few bits of cheese that I cut up from a big block of mozzarella that I bought at Costco instead of string cheese. And I cut some up for snacks yesterday and set it aside for today. There goes my cheese and some little cubes. What do you think should go in the treat section? You have a big treat. Should we just stick a blueberry in there?
No.
No? What do you think?
We should put M&M inside.
We're gonna have to look for one of those, huh?
Okay.
Okay.
I think there's more candies in Piper's bag.
Okay, we're gonna look for Piper's leftover candy bag that she gave us and I'll see if I can find a treat for today. Oh, good morning, I love you. All right, it looks like a pretty good lunch for today. We're gonna pack a fork and send you on with something in that treat spot. All right, you wanna say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.